Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I've had several requests to bring back the bandana, so I'm wearing a buff or a do-rag or whatever you want to call it. You know, very versatile, a lot of different things you can do with it. I decided that I would succumb to the requests and wear it, bring it back again, because this is how I started 13 years ago, always wearing a bandana or something on my head, some sort of a head covering. And people used to say, "Oh, I think he's bald. He doesn't have any hair underneath that." Well, I still have hair. Thank goodness it's still there. So I don't want to take it off and show you right now, but I'll have a bad case of hat head, so we don't want to get into that. Today's episode, number 15 of Geofatboy's Everyday Shave. We are stretching the limits of the everyday shave, which usually is 1 to 2 days beard growth. Today, more like maybe 2 to 3 or 3 to 4. So, you know, what beast would remove a beard like this? Well, you know, it would be normally the R41. But today, I'm going to step it up, the R41 Twist, which I really like. Fun razor, two-piece razor. Here's the comparison. Here's the R41. Here's the R41 Twist. You can see the handle is longer, thicker, more substantial. This is a three-piece razor, the standard R41. As I said, the R41 Twist is a two-piece razor. Let's have a look. You can see those teeth, which if you're not careful, they might bite you a little bit. So exercise caution when you shave with this razor. Gleaming chrome up top. On the underside, you can see that the two pins are pretty flush with the bottom of the head here. Working our way down, it's a smooth chrome tapered band right here, and then a collar or a ring that goes around the top that has Mühle inscribed, laser inscribed, twice going around it. The razor is made in Germany. The handle is nice and hefty, easy to hold on to, with a cross-hatching knurling throughout, from top to bottom. Then down at the bottom, this is your twist dial, and the very bottom of the handle, smooth chrome. Let's loosen it up. Just spin that dial at the bottom till the top cap breaks loose, like so. And you can see the underside of the top cap, two pins on the post. And then the top side of the safety bar right here with just two holes and a hollow going down into the handle as well. So let's load it up. We'll go with a feather blade. What else for a razor like this? We don't want to mess around. We'll go with the feather blade. Here it is in the paper. I'll remove it. Just going to drop that right over the post and the two pins like so. Right back into the handle. And then just tighten it. You don't have to put your finger. Sometimes you do. This time I didn't. So there's what it looks like, loaded up with the blade. Probably got my fingerprints on there now, but you can't help that. Okay, so I will perform a shave with this razor today. The specs on this razor, the overall weight, 3.2 ounces or 90 grams, and the length from top to bottom is 4.2 inches or 107 millimeters. It's a good, hefty, solid razor. Feels good in the hand. No problem dropping it in the palm and spinning it. So I will just warm up my face and we'll get right to the shave. All right, today I'm going to go with the Arko shave stick, which, where is it? Thought I had one here somewhere. Hold on a sec. Here's the Arko shave stick. Comes in a little foil wrapper like this. Been around for many, many years. Made in Turkey. I'll put a link up here. You can find out all about the Arko shave stick. But I've inserted one into my twist up container. If you want to pick these up, any of these items, click down below the video where it says show more, or you can grab them at ShaveNation.com. The way you use this, just remove the cap. You can spin it upward a little bit if you need to, but it's up high enough right now. I'm just going to soak it under the hot water, kind of bloom it a little bit. It's wet. Just glide that. These are really made for travel use, but you can use it at home too. Just keep it wet, apply it to all the areas you'll shave. Rub it vigorously into the beard. Coat everything till it's white. Just like that. And then what you can do, you can take your hands and work it in, or you can use a brush. I'll use this Shave Nation wood handle synthetic brush. Soak it under the hot water. Just wet the tips, shake out that water, and go right in and just start swirling it. And you can see that the lather will start building. Doesn't take very long. And add some water as you go along too. More water, more water. There we go. Just kind of get a feel for it. It's thick at first, but add a little bit of water sparingly, and it becomes creamier. Little figure eight, smooth everything out. The Zen moment of the shave right here. Om. I always think of the Xfinity, the Zen moment, the infinity maneuver. Swipe the lips. Swipe the neck. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. We'll leave the fingers wet. See how we can grip it? No problem. I'm going to temper it under the hot water. You can go cold or hot. I'll go hot today. Just let the weight of the... Oh, let me read this to you. When shaving, the safety razor should at first be drawn across the skin without applying any pressure at all. Shaving with the grain is often sufficient and renders a second shave in the opposite direction unnecessary. The skin should be stretched taut at all times. This safety razor with its toothed edge is predestined for men with a denser, stronger beard growth, or for those who prefer to sport 3-day stubble. Again, dimensions: length 4.2 inches, 107 millimeters, weight 3.2 ounces, 90 grams. Shave Nation number SN2037. Just type that in the search box, it'll come right up. All right, we'll temper it under the hot water. Here we go. Starting the sideburn. Just the weight of the razor. She doesn't play, so just be gentle. Flip it. One side is filled up. Work your way down the neckline. All right, both sides filled. Rinse that. Left side, cut the sideburn. Flip it down the neck. Rinse off. Tons of stubble going down the drain, and it rinses out very easily. Mustache, just scoop right under the nose. Other side. Beautiful. Let's rinse that. Rinse the face, feel around. If you're smooth enough, you could stop right here. I am almost dang baby smooth right there, but I would like to do one more pass just to get super smooth. Take the stick, just rub it right on again. You won't need as much this time. Just a light coating of the shaving soap. And you still have some on the brush, so we'll use that as well. Figure 8, smooth it out. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways. Okay, now we'll go across the grain from ear to nose. Again, just the weight of the razor. Backhand. Cleft. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse. Across the mustache. Put the tip right under the nose on an angle. Clean out those hairs. Then lay it flat. Other way. Love the feedback, the audible feedback. You can really hear it working. Okay, let's rinse it. A quick rinse with cold water. Baby smooth. Beautiful shave. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap, glide that over all the areas you've shaved. Seal off any little nicks or weepers if you got any. Tighten the skin. Excellent finish to the shave right here. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. We'll go with this DR Harris After Shaving Milk. Right there. From the UK. Remove the cap. A little bit in the fingertips. This is a good thick balm. Just like that. Doesn't require much. Nice sweet scent. Kind of reminds me of a barber shop. And the forehead. Awesome. Fantastic shave. Cheeks, chin, mustache, neck, everything baby smooth. So if you do have milder beard growth, 1 to 2 days, you can go with the R89 or the R41 Twist, which is right here. You can see the difference. This is a flat bar, closed comb. This is mine that I use all the time. It's a little bit fingerprint laden. And here's the one I just used. You can see the difference between the two. You can see those teeth on the R41 Twist. And I like the Twist. It's a 2-piece, nice and easy to load the blade. You're not dealing with 3 pieces. Very simple. So here's the standard version again, R41, and then here is the Twist, 2-piece. There's also a Grande, which is a 3-piece with a thick handle as well. So if you want to pick up any of these razors or any of these other items, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. Please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. There's about 500 of them right now, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.